Hi guys, got a question. How do you take one of these apart to clean it inside? Well, I've just had a look. The front doesn't have any handy lift-off panels, but we do have screws all the way around the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I can see that 2 of them need this type of screwdriver bit with the hole in the end of it. That one there needs it, and that one down there. So I'll undo all of them and we'll have a look. 10 screws. There we are, we're in. Right, I filmed that first bit in shorts format just to answer a question. Now we've got it open, we'll have a closer look. So we've got timer, rotary switch, wires, big capacitor, which I think is possibly something to do with the motor. I'll undo that, take that off, and see if we can work out how to get to this side of it. Because that is driven, that rotates as well, separately. That's the louvre, which is controlled by that button up there. Louvre, stop, move. Undone that nut, giving it a gentle tap. So we've got that off. Oh, don't lose that piece. That's the key way. So we can clean that. Is there an easy way of getting that back plate off? Well, we can reach through and undo some screws down through there if we try. If we really want to get that back plate off, or we just unscrew this to get down to it. Right, I've undone 1, 2, 3, 4 screws there, and the motor will lift out. So now we can actually get down there. We can undo this motor, which is the one that drives the louvre. Is that going to lift out? No, it doesn't want to lift out. Right, to remove this louvre, it looks like we've got to undo these. 1. 2. Which are the ones that I said it looked like we could possibly get to without removing the motor by reaching down the side of it. Yeah, that's removed it. Those screws down. So, looking at that thing, yeah, we weren't going to pull that off whatever we did. That wasn't a quick release. But we can put that motor back in, that doesn't need to come out. What's that? That's a spacer of some sort. Don't know where that came from. That's annoying. Oh, I see. Off the top of there. Right, I've put the blade back on, fan blade. Put the key in. Done the nut up, so that's back in place. Oh, obviously I screwed the motor back in place. Okay. Just briefly, that special screwdriver bit, you can usually find these packs of screwdriver bits in a hardware store. That's just one of them. A good selection of different types there. Okay. Not moving. Moving. Got it dirty while I've been fiddling with it. So there you go. If you need to get that off, you've got to take the whole thing apart, take the motor out, and reach through from the back to undo the screws that are on the back of there. And this is a Max Air 12-inch box fan. I should think we probably bought this in B&Q at least 12 years ago. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.